Hey, I'm Ian. I am 31 years old and I've recently moved to Athens from Johannesburg, South Africa. For the past couple of years now, I've been noticing some thinning on my hair and I already have naturally fine hair, so that added to the problem already. I've been trying a whole bunch of creams and pills and potions and everything as you can imagine to try and undo that, but it's still kept creeping back a little bit further and a little bit further. So about a year ago, I tried a full piece, which didn't particularly work for me because I didn't know that lace frontals were on option. I've spoken now to MACOhair and they've told me that I don't need to essentially get the entire thing replaced because I'm quite happy with the density I have up here. Before I spoke to MACOhair, I didn't really know that frontal hair pieces were even a thing. So I kind of thought that you kind of had the whole thing or nothing, which honestly, I was hoping that I could just replace the front. I'm still trying to fix my degree, and at the moment, I was really hoping for someone who's a really good communicator, and MACOhair really didn't disappoint. The communication and the options I was given were really outstanding. I had, first of all, variety that I didn't see at the last place in South Africa that I got my last frontal. And the consultation itself was really fresh and informative and very prompt. So it's about time for me to undergo my transformation, so I will see you guys soon.